home with Wesley. Today's episode is Pita Pizza. Pita, pizza, come get your pizza. Today we are making pita pizza. So we need pasta sauce, cheese, I don't know what this is called. Basil, mozzarella.
This is mozzarella, basil, and garlic.
Yeah. Now, that's one. This is two. And then, yeah, we're going to spread the sauce on the pita.
So what's next?
Mozzarella cheese.
How many pieces are you going to put on each?
3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
You just want to spread them out a little bit more. Okay.
Okay.
What are you putting on there?
Salad.
Basil.
Basil.
What do you like about the basil?
Because it's going to give it a little, like, a taste.
Good flavor. Does it smell good?
Yeah. Yeah. It was nice flavor.
It smells delicious.
Yep. Of course.
How much basil are you going to put on there?
So I put 1.
Just a pinch of basil?
Yeah, that's a
Pinch of basil. I'm just going to sort of spread it out. And then now what are we going to do?
This.
What is
What
it?
is that?
Garlic.
What are we doing?
Sprinkling garlic. I'll have to wash my hands. Yeah.
Wow, that looks delicious. Just wipe your hands.
I kind of did a really good job decorating.
I think they look really nice. What do you think the next step is?
Put it in the oven. So, do I give you it? It smells so yummy, and my mom's gonna help me take them out of the oven.
So they're all done, right?
Yeah. Hey, Mom. These look kind of so cool and yummy.
They do look yummy, don't they?
Yeah. That one doesn't look that yummy. Now we're gonna cut the pizza.
So you're going to keep your hand on the black part, right? And then you're going to go...
Pizza, pizza, come get your pizza. It's like a pizza song. It's my and fun pizza song that we sing when we're like pretending that we're pizza guys. So I wanted to sing it, so it is. They're all cutted.
They're all cut. Now...
And now we can go ahead and give it a taste.
How's it?
Good.
Is it good? Is it yummy?
What does it taste like?
Pizza. Why not the taste? At home with Wesley was filmed in front of a live studio audience. Was that pretty?